Falco here. Just had a parcel arrive from eBay. Basically, I've been looking for something to stop the wind noise in the helmet whilst I'm doing my vlogs, and also to stop my head buffeting around when I'm sort of doing anything over 40. I found this product called the Wind Jammer. Supposed to reduce wind noise and drafts. It goes on the underside of the helmet, which I'll show you momentarily. Look. Fully washable, it says. Yeah, fits in seconds, so we'll see, won't we? Yeah, so I've seen other people reviewing them online. Said they look pretty good, pretty decent. I spoke to one lad that on Facebook, and he reckons they're pretty crap. So getting it out of the box, it's like made from a neoprene sort of wetsuit type material with this sticky band. It goes around as we peel paper off, and it supposedly peel the paper off. Anyway, don't want to do it with one hand. There we go. Alright. There we go. Yeah, so that underneath there is sticky. It's supposed to stick to the bottom of the helmet, so I'm going to try it on the old HJC, see if I can get it to work. Alright then. Just a little test. Can't tell, I haven't been on bike for a bit. It seems to be making a lot of difference anyway. One of the lads on the Facebook group, he'd got a shit version of it, I think. This has got like a, well, as you can see from the video I did earlier, excuse me, it's got like a sticky band which keeps it gripped to the bottom side of the helmet. Yeah, I don't know if it was like an improved design feature, but it seems to be working anyway. But yeah, never really heard of it before. The Wind Jammer 2. Oh, stalled. Newbie. Look at the boats, look. Alright, go now. Well, I didn't have any issues starting the bike anyway. I got it out at the weekend. Stupidly, it's been sat for about maybe 3 or 4 weeks with fuel in the carburettor because I forgot to burn it off, turn the fuel tap off, and it struggled to start. So I don't know if that's normal when it's been sat with a bit of fuel in it. Anyway, turned the tap off, burnt all the fuel off, and started, you know, as soon as the fuel had been pumped through anyway, it's pretty much started straight away. So not bad for an old girl, 18-year-old. Oh, slow down, Morley. These little fucking yellow things, look. Yeah, I'll get a bit of speed up in a minute. Turns into a 60 down here, I think. Just after the bridge. Oh, whistling. What's that whistling noise? Well, the Wind Jammer seems to be doing their job anyway. I'm going up Going to 60 now. Yeah, my head's not buffed in anywhere really, so I've done the job. Normally buffets me head around like. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it, to be honest. No movement of the old bonds. Oh, no more gears, Andy. Castle Donington, it says. Come on, love. There we go. Oh, the bike ain't pulling that well. There you go, well that's the acid test of the old windjammer. National speed limit. And my head's not buffeting anywhere really. Bang on. Yeah, so anyone that fancies getting a go, or getting a jammer. Where's he going? There he is. Oh dear, what's going on? You fucking twat. There you go, so that was the test of the Windjammer 2. Just got back into the shithole of a garage, look. And yeah, so I'm going to show you a couple of shots of the Windjammer on the actual helmet. Just trying to think where I should put it. There we go. So yeah, yeah. So obviously it sits around the bottom of the helmet like this. Look. Yeah, I'm not really much to say about it really. It's yeah, just really impressed with it. It forms a really tight, well, not really tight, you won't be able to breathe, but a nice seal around your neck. Yeah, and it seems to do the job anyway. Stop the wind getting in. There's the sticky bit, look. But it's supposed to be able to peel it off. Yeah, I mean, it seems to be peeling off okay without taking the paint off the helmet. But yeah, so there you go. Cheers for watching. Subscribe and all that stuff. Cheers.